Thinking about using iSneak.info to see private info or track someone's activity? Let's slow down and look at what's really going on with this site before you click anything. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. So what is iSneak.info supposed to do? The site claims to allow you look up usernames, search hidden data, or get access to private info. Sounds sketchy already, but here's what the internet says. On Trustpilot, users reported the site doesn't work at all. One person said they couldn't even add their username. Another said I had to download 2 apps and it still didn't work. A few reviews mentioned that it looks useful, but you have to wait a long time, and even then, nothing happens. Over on Scam Advisor, the site has a trust score of 43 out of 100, which is not great. And here are a few red flags. The owner's identity is hidden. It's registered through a provider known for scams. The site is very new and it was reported as a threat in the last 30 days. On the positive side, it does have a valid SSL certificate, and the review average is technically mediocre, but let's be honest, that's not reassuring. iSneakInfo looks shady between the hidden ownership security warnings and complaints about the site not working. This feels like a scam or at least a bait and switch site. If it promises secret access to private info, that's a huge red flag right there. Stay safe online and let me know in the comments if you've had any run ins with these sites like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.